Dear citizens from abroad, I'm a politician running for a seat as a town councillor. In the Social Democratic Party, we are convinced that a strong community creates general satisfaction and well-being, and you should most certainly be part of that well-being. So, we have some work to be done. I understand that you have some challenges with the possibility of learning the Faroese language. We need to find ways to arrange more flexible offers so that you can study the Faroese language maybe in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening while you're being active on the labor market. Another challenge is to improve the continuity in the courses so that you can build on the skills that you already acquire and in this way further improve your Faroese knowledge. Your access to the labor market is another topic that we need to work on. So together we'll find a way of improving your access to the labor market. To make it possible for you to acquire more knowledge about your rights and your duties, we need to improve the means of information. For example, by arranging a place, an information desk, where you can come and where skilled people will help you and assist you in settling down, which is most certainly not always easy in a new country far away from your birth country. Use your democratic rights on Tuesday. Vote for the Social Democratic Party. Thank you for listening.